Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Byndloss in St. Catherine. Situated on over 10 acres of lush vegetation and cash crops in a peaceful and family-oriented area. This property boasts 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms across 3,500 square feet of luxurious living space. As you make your way through the property, you will notice the main gate that opens onto a beautiful roadway bordered with coconut trees on both sides, creating an idyllic and welcoming atmosphere. Step inside and be greeted by a range of amenities that caters to your every need, including a state-of-the-art security system, skylight that provides an abundance of natural light, a diesel generator with 70 kilowatts capacity, and a reserve water tank that ensures your comfort is never compromised. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a modern estate that combines luxury living with the beauty of nature. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $585,000 or Jamaican $90 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.